Please show your hand to choose a language. Hi, I am Blue Mirror, your virtual PPE instructor. I will guide you through donning and doffing of PPE. Instructions run slowly, at training speed. Take your time, I will wait for you when needed. Preparation. Ensure you have the correct model of mask. Collect all the PPE components. Done. PPE should be put on with a buddy present. Please ensure you are bare below elbow. Show your hand upright so I can check your hands. Done. Perform hand hygiene. Put on Wellington boots. Show your hands when finished. Done. Put on FFP3 respirator. Ensure that the respirator is flat against your cheeks. Mold the nose piece. Fit check your respirator. Done. Put on hood. Check the fit around the face and jaw. Done. Put on the first layer of gloves. Show your hands upright when done. Done. Put on gown. Fasten Velcro at the neck. Ensure neck and sides are secured. Turn around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown. Checking back of gown. Gown open at back. Please face the screen again and review the back of your gown. Turn around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown. Checking back of gown. Gown open at back. Please face the screen again and review the back of your gown. Turn around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown. Checking back of gown. Please face the screen again. Check for sufficient overlap between boot and gown. Done. Put on the second layer of gloves. Cover the cuff. Show your hands upright when done. Checking wrists. Done. Tape the gloves. Put on apron. Tie your apron at back. Done. Put on your face shield. Done. Put on the third layer of gloves. Show your hands upright when done. Checking wrists. Done. Body check. Show your hands upright when done. Done. You're all set. Thank you.